Okay, you guys. So, the reason I do not cook is not because I am a male chauvinist. It's because I suck.
It's delicious.
Stop it.
It is. See for yourself.
It looks like dog barf, but it tastes great.
Cut it out. It is delicious. Men really can do everything, huh? Not bad, huh?
See, Dad? If I hadn't pizza shamed you, you would have never discovered your inner domestic goddess.
This is true.
Can I be excused?
Yes, you can, little man.
Me too.
Yeah, you too. Hey, May. You know, just because I'm the guy doesn't mean that I'm the bad guy.
I know.
Okay, good. Hey. When you were little, I really knew how to play with you. I did. I would throw you up in the air and you would scream and run around and I mean, but then you grew up and you got so serious.
I still like to play.
You do? What do you like to play?
Boggle.
Well, May, I have some really bad news for you. Tomorrow night, I'm gonna murder you. At Boggle!
All right.
Okay.